Women have always been suppressed by some kind of force that has restricted their choice and freedom. But as times are progressing, women are rising up to their full potential and taking steps to ensure they have the means of choice, freedom to speak, and do whatever they want. This video is a tribute to all the mothers out there, and a special thanks to my mother for being the best mom in the world. Thank you for being someone I could always look up to. Happy Women's Day to all my viewers. In today's video, we will be learning a famous movie dialogue about mother from a Hindi movie. So before we dive into the video, please do subscribe my channel, like and share with your friends and family members. So let's get started. So at first we are going to start from Hindi. So let me tell the lines from Hindi. माँ वो है जो हमको इतना प्यार करती है, कभी कभी हम खुद उस प्यार को समझ नहीं पाते. माँ वो है जो हमें एहसास दिलाती है कि हम कितने अच्छे हैं, हमसे अच्छा और कोई नहीं है. माँ वो है जिसकी खुशी हमारी हंसी से है. माँ वो है जिसका दुख हमारा दुख से. माँ वो है जिसके बिना हम जी नहीं सकते. माँ सब कुछ है. These are the lines which portrays what mother is all about. Now we are going to learn this in other languages, including English. A mother is someone who loves you so much that we ourselves sometimes cannot understand it. A mother is someone who makes us realize how good we are and nobody is better than us. A mother is someone whose happiness is in our laughter and our sorrow is her sorrow. She is someone we cannot live without. She is everything. Till now we had seen the lines which is all about mother from Hindi to English. Now let's check in other languages. அம்மா நம்ம மேலே எவ்வளோ அன்பு காட்டுவாங்கன்னா பல தடவை நம்மளுக்கே அந்த அன்பு புரிகிறதில்ல. புரியாது, both means the same. அம்மா நம்ம எவ்வளோ நல்லவங்கன்னு உணர வைக்கிறவங்க. நம்மளை விட யாருமே நல்லவங்க இல்லை. நம்மளோட துக்கம் அவங்களோட துக்கம். அவங்க இல்லாமல் நம்ம வாழ முடியாது. அம்மா தான் எல்லாமே. So this was in Tamil. Now we are moving on to Telugu. అమ్మ మనకి ఎంత ప్రేమిస్తుందంటే కొన్నిసార్లు ఆ ప్రేమ మనకి అర్థమే కాదు, ఆర్ అర్థం చేసుకునేకే అవ్వదు. బోత్ మీన్స్ ద సేమ్. మనకే మనము ఎంత మంచివాళ్ళని గ్రహించేలాగా చేస్తుంది. మనకన్నా ఎవ్వరూ మంచివాళ్ళు లేదు. మన దుఃఖం తన దుఃఖం. తను లేదంటే మనము బ్రతకలేము. అమ్మనే అంతా. సో దట్ వాజ్ ఇన్ తెలుగు. ನೌ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ಕನ್ನಡ. ಅಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳಂದರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸಾರಿ ಆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ನಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥವಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವರಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಭಾವನೆ ಉಂಟು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ನಮಗಿಂತ ಯಾರೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವರು ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ದುಃಖ ಅವಳ ದುಃಖ. ಅವಳು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಬದುಕೋಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಮ್ಮನೇ ಎಲ್ಲ. I hope this video was a feast on the occasion of Women's Day. Today's video was a tribute to all the women over there, especially to all the mothers. Guys, please do subscribe my channel. If you like this video, hit a like, share with your friends and family members, and yes, please do not forget to press the bell icon to get notified for my upcoming videos. That's all for today. Give me a short break. I'll be back with another fascinating topic. Till then, it's your channel host signing off. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.